شفاء صدور فاض وعطر كل لسان وهنا حلقات الصديق قلب ينبض.
Something that has the largest impact on me is patience and hope. Just when you think you can take no more and feel like giving up, you need to trust on the miracle of tawakkul.
Quran has connected me to Allah. I have learned what our life's focus must be and what we need to do to achieve that focus. Whenever I feel low, I always find a verse that is related to my problem and it instantly takes the burden off my heart. Quran is just like a cure.
The Qur'an has been light to my darkness, the cure to my sickness, and forever will be the companion in my grief.
Quran has brought peace in my life. It has taught me to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the small blessings I have, and it has bring tawakkul in me that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala never leaves his servant alone in any situation.
Through this course, I started to reflect upon my personality traits, my action and behavior towards others, and this brings a lot of positive change in me, alhamdulillah.
I joined this course because I wanted to lead my life according to the Quran. It brought me closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It corrected my religious practices as well.
So far, my journey with the Quran has been very enlightening. I have found contentment and, most importantly, satisfaction.
Quran has answered so many of my depressing, worrying questions about my life and the purpose of my existence, and it has shown me the reality of this world.
Quran purified my intentions and heart, directed me towards the particular goals of my life, and recognized my Lord in a true sense.
This course brings me a lot of positive changes. The major one I found is that I have a purpose in my life now, alhamdulillah. That is liwajhillah, striving for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
هذا النور شفاء صدور فاض وعطر كل لسان وهنا حلقات